I did pay $22.39 on AliExpress for this Maclock. And it's pretty cool. This video is kindly sponsored by PCBWay. Thank you, PCBWay. So what is this thing? Well, it's a Mac and it's a clock and it's in the name, Maclock. So let's open it up and take a look inside. We have a USB to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. We have a little booklet. And we have stickers. And these stickers are pretty exciting because they turn this into kind of an Apple Mac. Here's the little device. And you might think, well, that's just one of these clocks which has a cheapo screen and stuff like that. But this is actually made really nice. So we have the ports and we have room for the stickers, which give this a special touch. USB-C charging. This is not a real switch. But what we have is a disc, and that disc is actually the on-off switch. So you put it in here and it's on. And you touch it and it comes out and it's off. Has a little real brightness wheel and an alarm and clock button here. And it has a soft button on top here. Soft touch button on top. So, as you can see, it's pretty plain right now. But there are stickers, and these stickers turn this into more of a Mac. So, for example, we have the back sticker here, which we can take, and let's first sticker this and then let's turn it on. Can use this to put on the back here, and these stickers fit perfectly. So that's that. And you can decide if you want to use the real Apple logo or the more alternative, just a rainbow logo. We have, let's use these Macintosh and Apple logos. So we have Macintosh. I think I can do that just like that. And the little logo here for the back. That's that. And then we have, of course, the front, where we also put the Apple logo. And I think this really turns this into the Apple. It should be. And then we have these stickers for the disc. So this is the sticker here, and this says Macintosh System Disk. That looks like a disc now, and you can even put on these disc hubs on the back. Like that. And the shutter is also here. Put this like this. There's your disk. Macintosh System Disk. Oh, wait, Macintosh System Disk. And if you want to switch it on, you have to, as I said, put in the disk. Let's do that. It should switch on. That seems to be completely flat. Let's plug it in. And it starts up, and you see it's the happy face. So that's good. And yes, that is an actual screen. Haven't checked what kind of screen it is. You can make it. Let me switch off the light here. Turn this brightness up and down. And this is the energy saving mode. Looks much brighter on camera than in real life. You can see it's charging. And yeah, that has a built-in battery. If you remove the disk, switches off, put it in, switches on. I think this is pretty cool. You can touch up here and switch between night and day mode. And of course you can, let me switch this on, reduce the brightness and set the clock. So you use the wheel to change the value and the clock button down here to go, and it's 20:55, so it's already late. And it's 26 actually. Today is, it's January 22nd. And it also has a temperature sensor, which is a bit funky, so it's not great. But you want Celsius, that's correct. And there we go. Yeah, so this is a nice little project. And you can open it up. There are actually screws here. I will not do that because if I remember correctly, you have to break some clips up here. So there are even more screws like in the real Mac. Nice touch. Maybe I will open it, but not in this video. So if you're interested, really cool little Maclock for about 23 euros, or I think dollars too, and the detail is just really nice. So that will be here on my desk from now on, and yeah, you even get an Apple sticker. Not even Apple does that anymore. Okay, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks again to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. If you need any PCBs, pre-assembled PCBs or 3D printing, please use the link in the description below. Thank you for watching Retro Studio Black. If you liked this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in content like this, please subscribe and hit this bell icon. I have no idea if it really makes a difference, but you never know. And yeah, it's an algorithm, so I'm not arguing. However, thank you for watching, and I see you on the other side. Cheerio.